What's up, everybody? How's everyone doing? It is a brand new week, a brand new video for all of you to enjoy. And what are we discussing this week? We're discussing how to communicate effectively. That's right, it's a very important topic, very near and dear to me, because I'm all about communications, having a media company, and just having it as one of my hobbies. I remember in high school, a lot of people used to say to me, "Hey, you communicate effectively. You're really good at doing speeches and all that. You should do public speaking." Obviously, I never listened because rebel life. But yeah, we're gonna discuss about top 5, 6 things that you have to do, things that I would do in order to communicate effectively, things that I do in order to convey my message to the receiver. So let's get the video started. And please, thing that I always forget to mention is click the notification bell so that you don't miss the video, because we're going to be uploading a lot more, and I want you guys to get this content, and I know it's going to be very beneficial and you're going to love it. So let's get started with the video. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing that you're going to want to tackle when you want to communicate effectively is to have confidence in what it is that you're talking about. You know what I mean? It also goes with your body language. If you are, say, delivering a speech, or you're talking to a fellow employee, or anybody really that you want to know what you're talking about, it goes hand in hand with the body language that you're conveying, because your body language speaks volumes about how you feel about what you're talking about. So if you want to say something to somebody and you've got this shy and reserved demeanor, like you want to ask that girl or that guy out, and you go up to them and you don't show confidence, that's not, to me, that's not attractive. I don't know if you guys are up to that, you like that kind of thing. But you need to have that body language that conveys and shows that, hey, listen, I'm interested, I think we should do this, let's take it to the next level, and be confident about what you want to say and what you're saying. Secondly, you got to speak clearly. You got to hear what it is that you're saying. What are you communicating? Whether you're writing it, you're typing it, you're talking it, you have to be clear, right? If you're writing down sentences, make sure that we can read your spelling. Don't practice as if the way doctors write. It's very I don't know, it's like a talent. I think doctors have like a module within their course where you learn how to write like a doctor, where it's just like scribbles and all that kind of stuff. So don't do that. And when it comes to, let's say, if you have a speech where you have to pitch to a client, make sure that you're speaking clearly. Make sure that your posture and everything allows you to let those words actually come out of your body and come out of your mouth the way that you intended them to. So it's all about your clarity of speech. Some people have a natural lisp when they say certain words, and that's cool. There's a way that you can work around that. Just make sure that you enunciate your words correctly so that people don't think that you're trying to say one thing when you're saying another thing. You know what I mean? So that's why it's important to be very clear when you're speaking. Have that posture straight. Have your hand in the right position so that you can write clearly and not like you're trying to draw noodles or doodle or anything. Again, convey the message to the receiver. A lot of people want to communicate effectively, and you find that their problem isn't really communication, it's being confident and sure in what they're saying. So if you want to convey a message in like a speech, or it's mostly contact, first-hand contact. People can write, people can type all kinds of things. We're all big on social media. We can go in the comments and troll people. But if we go in front of a crowd, let's say at a lecture hall, and you have to pitch your assignment, or you go in front of clients and you have to pitch, you have to know what it is that you're doing. You know what I mean? And so you have to have that confidence. You have to not really care too much about what people are saying about you. We have that thing in us where it's like that. What are they gonna think? Do you think I'm just gonna be talking a whole lot of crap? You know what I mean? And we have that fear within us, and it's like, don't be like that. I mean, at the end of the day, it's something that you want to say, something that you have to say in order to convey a message, in order to get those leads in the business, in order to get those marks in that assignment, because we love those sweet marks and that sweet money from those clients. So have that motivate you. Don't care too much about what people can think you're ridiculous or whatever, because you may find that what you're saying actually makes sense, because it's something that you're passionate about, something that you've researched. It's your business, you know what it's all about. So let us know. You started this business, you started this brand. Let us know, why do we have to invest it? Why must we become stakeholders? You know what I mean? You want me to invest in your company. You want brands to collaborate with you. You want clients. You want to employ people. You need to convey what the business is about. What can it do for people? What can its stakeholders benefit? You know what I mean? So always think about what is it that you want to say in the way that you're saying it, in the thing that you're saying. Always think about, what is it that I want to convey? What do I want to tell this person? You know what I mean? That's my 2 cents on effective communication. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Please smash that like button. Please call your neighbors, call your friends. Bring over the whole entire world and just park on that like button. Just kill it, please. And also subscribe. Turn on notification bell. And yeah, pretty much, just stay a while, I mean, if you like some more content, click on the window right there and enjoy, because I think I've got about 1, 2, 3 other videos that you should check out, definitely. So stay a while and binge, and I'll see you in the next video, and you won't miss it if you press that notification bell. I guarantee it, I promise you. Stay shining, secure the flourish always. Links in the description for any more artwork that you would need, and enjoy your rest of your week. Till next time.